Welcome to Testing AI. In this channel, I break down different AI tools and keep you up to date with the AI world. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Chat GPT to create some ebooks that you can give away to your email subscribers. I'm going to show you examples from 5 different kinds of businesses: real estate investors, travel entrepreneurs, food bloggers, fashion businesses, and photography website. So each of these have different kinds of client bases. A simple ebook can be a great way to add value to your email subscribers. Before I get started, I wanted to mention that I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you get some value from this video, make sure to hit subscribe. The first example is for real estate investors who teach people how to rent out properties. People who are just getting into this might not be aware of simple things that is common knowledge to you. So let's create an ebook on something simple in rental properties. Of the 5 examples it gave me, I like this one where it teaches me how to be a landlord and what I need to be aware of. So it gave me 10 chapter ideas on how to be a landlord. And some examples are how I can screen potential tenants, how I can evict them if needed, what tax considerations I need to know for rental property ownership. So this is a really valuable ebook for someone who's trying to become a real estate investor. And I think this ebook will be super valuable if you have an email client base already. So I have the first ebook outline here with me. Now ChatGPT can write the entire chapter for each of these. I'm going to use one example just to demonstrate how it goes. Now ChatGPT has provided me a really valuable chapter on how to screen potential tenants with information like verifying their employment, making sure you check their rental history, making sure you check their criminal background. I can now use this text for my ebook. Let's try the next business. So if you're a travel entrepreneur, that means you have a travel blog, or if you have a YouTube channel and you do travel hacks and you show how to travel to different places and how to find the most effective ways to book a hotel or book an Airbnb, or how to find the cheapest flights, if that is the kind of business you do, you can create an ebook related to this. An example would be how to pack more efficiently for long-term travel. Great, so I have 10 chapter ideas ready for this ebook called Packing Efficiently for Long-Term Travel. For each of these chapters, you can just request the chapter from ChatGPT directly and edit it according to your needs. Let's try the next business. If you're a food blogger, for instance, if you write recipes and you publish them on a blog, or if you have a YouTube channel where you show different kinds of recipes related to your backgrounds. For example, if you're Italian and you love showing off Italian food from your village, then you can provide an ebook to your email subscribers about pantry essentials for Italian food. Now I have 10 chapter ideas for this ebook called Pantry Essentials for Italian Food. Some examples are how to identify the different kinds of cheeses and find the best quality of cheese for your pizza, for instance, or what's the difference between prosciutto and salami. Now you can just request a chapter on each of these from ChatGPT directly. The next example is a fashion business. An example could be if you design your own clothes and sell them on your website, or if you use other websites to sell your own designs, you can create an ebook about wardrobe essentials for professional women. And just like that, ChatGPT has provided me all the chapters I need for my ebook. Essential jackets, essential shoes, essential accessories. The last business I'm going to try out is for a photography website. This means you can be either a photographer or a shop owner selling camera gear on your website. An example of an ebook for this would be essential gear for a professional photo shoot. This means if your email subscriber is trying to become a professional photographer, they need certain kinds of gear and they might not know all the things they need. So you can create an ebook about this and give it to your subscribers for free. So I have all the chapters ready: camera bags, backpacks, memory cards, studio backgrounds and backdrops, editing software. Now you can go back and find the chapters you think are essential and create an entire chapter from ChatGPT directly. Hope you got some value from this video. I was trying to give you some ideas on how you can use ChatGPT to create different kinds of ebooks. I personally think that this is a better use of ChatGPT for content creation than writing blog posts, because there's no risk of Google delisting your blog posts or your website. However, if you give it directly to your subscribers, they're just going to have the PDF and they will have some information that they can use. You can also create ebooks which you can sell directly, but for that I do recommend you to edit it properly and have a human element to any books you're trying to sell. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and click subscribe to this channel.